Swadika, my name is Sai and today we are going to make oyster and clam with my special seafood recipe. Let's turn the heat on, and while the water is boiling, I want to introduce you to the ingredients. So the ingredient we need is, of course, oyster. This is 50 baht per oyster. That is the size that I got. Clam. Now in the village we can't get this big. This is very big. Look at this side of it. And usually the clam that we can get in the market is probably like this size. But this is gigantic and I love that. And then for the seafood sauce, we need garlic, red chili, plum sugar. This one is pickled garlic juice. Now this one is optional, but I prefer my seafood sauce with this one. Special about this recipe, because we're gonna have with the clam, we're gonna make a peanut. This is peanut with sugar. It's like a snack. It's hard. More like look like protein bar. Tastes so good. It's nutty and sweet. I'm gonna try it for you. If you can find this one in the market. Recommend, so good. Next one is sugar and fish sauce. Now to have it with, we're gonna make miang hoi kang. Miang is like when you get like your meat, and you have vegetables and seafood sauce on the sides. So for the miang you need rice noodles, ขนมจีน, this one, and you need vegetables of your whatever you prefer. I have a salad here and coriander. The red chili that I use this one. I use this chili, big chili, Thai chili. Now, because the seafood sauce is add garlic and chili, so my trick of getting rid of the smell of the garlic, I slide the garlic up and I soak them in orange juice or lime juice or salt water and vinegar. Just soak there for like 15 to 30 minutes. Same thing with the chili. I love chili, but when you have also chili, it's kind of like burn your stomach. I do the same thing. I take the seed out and I soak them into water. Now our chili is ready. We are going to prepare the sauce while we're waiting for this water to boil. So add the garlic in, chili in, a little bit, some sugar, and then our nut, make it very nutty. This is glass table, so I have to lift this one up to be able to smack it. You can see. Add a little bit of plum sugar. The plum sugar just add a little bit because the nut itself already have sugar, and we already add like another sugar, so like 3 sugar in here. 3 types of sugar. Now I'm gonna add some liquid in here, which is pickled garlic juice. A little bit of fish sauce. Forgot another ingredient to introduce to you with the lime juice, unforgettable. Now lime juice, add to your preferred. I love to eat like very sour. This is how I slide the lime, by the way. Avoid the center inside and just go ahead and squeeze it. Easy peasy. Mix. You got the taste that you like. Give it a taste again. Oh wow, so good. Okay, now I like the taste now. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a little sauce plate that I have here. You are going to like this sauce. This sauce is very delicious. It's creamy, sweet, salty, and a little bit sour. So good. Our water is nice and bubbling now. I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of vinegar in this one, and I need my timer. So for the clam, it's different depending on how you like your clams to be. I prefer it more cooked, but in the middle, like a little bit bloody and a little bit cooked. So 20 seconds for the bloody, 30 seconds for like a medium cook, which I prefer, 40 for like a little more like well done. Let's just say like rare, medium, medium rare to well done. So we're gonna go for 30 seconds, but I need my timer. You need to prepare water and the ice to cool down. Let me go get the ice. I'm back. Water, ice to shock the muscle. Set up the timer for 30 seconds. Okay, now we wait. What was that jump about? This is 40 seconds, so we can remove the clam out of the hot water, directly sunk into the ice cold water to stop the cooking. I'm nervous because normally for this clam, it's just for like little clam. This is the first time that I have the clam this big. I'm very excited and nervous at the same time. It's inside here are still very hot. I'm gonna open the clam first, see how everything looks. So I have this tool where you use to open the clam for the little one, and I don't think it's working. So we see if it can work for the big one. Nope. Nope. We are going old style with 2 types. You sort of like put one in here, put one in here, is it? And then squeeze it. Oh my god. I screw up my spoon. Let's just open like how I would open. Okay, like this better. Use the knife. So there you go, I got the clam. Oh, 40 seconds is a little bit too overcooked for me. Now I know. Put that on the side. Continue to do the rest. We got our clam over here, but forgot to tell you, for the sauce, just decorate it with the garlic slide that we have. And voila! This is our first dish over here. Now we move on to the second dish. The second one is the oyster, and I have prepared the water and the ice. Now, TikTok, YouTube, internet, everything that I could find. The video that I could make is easier for me. So it said it had flat bump, flat surface, and this one, and where the end would be, put the end towards you. I'm not teaching you, I'm teaching myself too. And find the hole. It's around here. Just put the knife in there. Guys, I'm not. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna cut myself for sure. Okay, I'm gonna use the hammer. I'm gonna go like pound with the hammer first.
A few moments later.
Lesson and learn. Oyster is a sexy food, but if you have to pound the oyster and just like this, the oyster will go everywhere. I just go fresh it up and I think it's ready. There's two of them that no matter how hard I smack it, it won't just open. So we'll see how that goes. Okay. Those are the ones that open for me. Wash it out. And then cut the muscle to make sure we'll be able to eat it easily. Slurp it in. That. This is only how much I managed to be able to open them. So 4 of them out of 6. Not too bad. So time for eating, you guys. This is the best time of the video ever. The time where I can slurp the oyster. Eating seafood sauce is the best. We are sitting for this test time. Now I'm gonna go with an oyster first because an oyster obviously doesn't have the seafood sauce that will make me ruin my appetite. So let's start with this. We're gonna start with this one. This one will look juicy. I like my oyster with just lemon. Oh my god. It's very worth it. It's so crispy and creamy and sweet. Like you don't need to have, you know how Thai people they like to have with sweet chili sauce, like the powerful seafood sauce. You kind of like take away all the freshness. This one is fresh from the farm, and it's like the best. Look at that. It's better than the restaurant. Let's try this one without peanuts sauce. Let's see if it's go together. Let's see that. I prefer with just lemon. Wow. The oyster is amazing. The taste is like very fresh from the sea. This one is Thai oyster, and Thai oyster, the best one is Furatani oyster, and this is it. This is the one. Let's try the clam. Now I need a good fresh crunchy salad with the clam itself. Now this is how we eat it, with rice, noodles. This one called miang. And then it's gonna be a big bite. Yum. Ready? Hard to judge. Now I'm gonna try with this supper. With the salad with just the sauce, because I feel like it tastes different from the little one. It does taste different. Maybe because it's not bloody. Normally it's like red. Let me try again. I can't say that was good or bad. It's just like different on what I have. It's like you don't expect this flavor. Not much smell too. Maybe because I frozen them and they're not like fresh like alive when I boil them. Let's see. Yeah, that tastes different from the little one. I prefer the little one better now. Maybe it's because of they were not like alive when I boiled them. They were already like knocked in ice for like a few hours, days. That's why they're not as bloody, and the smell are different. The textures are different. This one are very like crispy. But meanwhile, the little one is like sweet, like so sweet. Okay, so I see. Oyster is the winner. Like the winner of this dish is the oyster, but the sauce itself is help the clam so much. Like without the sauce, the clam would be like I'm not sure it's because of like what I said, but yeah. Let me try one more bite to be sure. They are really different. Like you would think they're different kind of crab, like maybe like different species of clam. After the clam, based on my expectation, 5 out of 5. The sauce, so good. Oyster, amazing. Now the last one. The last one we're gonna go with the lime, always. Ready? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this me cooking and eating video. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.